Hello YouTube, welcome back to another episode. Here we're going to be doing an update on the Hurst Oldsmobile. This kit, from Johan came with some decals for the Hurst Indy pace car. This is 1975 kit, and the pace car was a 74. I did some research on the internet, and I couldn't figure out how old the decals were that came with the kit, so I was concerned about messing them up. So I turned to the next best thing. I made my own. I used the decals that came with the kit as a template for the decals I made. Here I am installing the side stripes, the Hurst Olds logo, the Indy pace car or the Indianapolis 500 wing tire logo, the W30 as well in the lower front fender. Here I am getting ready to do the side stripes on the passenger side. And look down from the top. And I haven't forgot about the louvered hood. Yeah, I'll take care of that on the next episode. I also picked up a set of Hurst wheels for this kit. Yeah, the original came with the skinny white walls and the hubcaps, so I had to change that out. And I just thought I'd try my luck at hand lettering some white letters on them, and I think they turned out well. Well, this is a quick update, and I want to thank everyone for watching and tuning in, and I will see you on the next update. Take care and have a blessed week.